هيني صايم.
He's saying هيني صايم. Okay, here I am. I'm fasting.
وعندي شغل.
وعندي شغل and I have work.
ولسه بصحى على 4 الصبح.
ولسه بصحى على 4 الصبح. So he's saying هيني صايم. Here I am. I'm fasting. مرحبا السلام عليكم. In this video I have a motivational video for you in Arabic. تمام. فيديو تحفيزي. This video is by Jalal Abu Muis. Jalal Abu Muis is a Jordanian businessman and his field of work is real estate. And he's currently based in Miami, Florida in the US. And he now makes motivational videos. A lot of these on YouTube for the youth in Jordan and for, you know, people in general that want to just improve and have a successful life, because he does have a very inspiring story. It's very motivational what he talks about. A lot of things I listen to and I'm like, yes, I preach this all the time. And a lot of things I listen to, I'm like, yes, I want to wake up at 4 a.m. like you. But yeah, in this video, why I chose to share this video with you is because it's kind of relevant now. Now we're in the holy month of Ramadan. And what he's basically saying, just to give you a quick overview of the video, it's a short video. What he's saying is in Ramadan's a month of worship and trying to be the best version of yourself. But with that said, you should be doing that, but at the same time, don't neglect your work, okay? Don't be lazy and make the excuse that, hey, it's Ramadan, so I can't work, or I can wake up extra late, okay? So let's listen. He says it a little bit more inspirationally, let's say. Okay, ففيديو تحفيزي هذا motivational video. Let's listen.
يا أحلى عالم بكفي أعذار.
بكفي أعذار. بكفي is enough. بكفي أعذار excuses. أعذار جمع عذر. Okay, بكفي أعذار enough excuses. Okay.
اجى رمضان بتلاقي الواحد عنا
Ramadan has arrived. بتلاقي you find الواحد عنا. بتلاقي notice again the qaf with the either pronounce as a ga or an a. Okay. فبتلاقي الواحد عنا.
رمضان اجى بتلاقي الواحد متكاسل.
You find one being lazy. الواحد here is the equivalent of saying one in English, the generic, one must wake up early. الواحد لازم يصحى بدري. One must do XYZ. الواحد لازم blah blah blah, okay? فبتلاقي الواحد متكاسل. You find one being lazy, okay? So when he's saying when Ramadan has arrived, you find one being lazy. You find people being lazy.
متكاسل على كل شيء.
Being lazy on everything.
متكاسل على كل شيء لازم يعمله باليوم.
Okay, بتلاقي الواحد متكاسل على كل شيء لازم يعمله باليوم. He's being lazy. He or she is being lazy regarding everything he or she has to do in a day.
في عندك ناس بتعمل أعذار وعندك ناس بتلاقي الطريقة كيف تعمل الإشي.
Okay, في ناس بتعمل أعذار. There's people that make excuses. Okay, في ناس, there are people that make excuses. بتعمل make أعذار. في ناس بتعمل أعذار وفي ناس بتلاقي طريقة تعمل إشي. Notice again with the gap, بتلاقي طريقة. You can say بتلاقي or بتلاقي and طريقة or طريقة. Okay, just so you know if you hear different pronunciations. بتلاقي الواحد في ناس عندك ناس بتعمل أعذار وعندك ناس and you have people بتلاقي طريقة
كيف تعمل الإشي.
So you have people that make excuses and you have people that find a way to make the thing, okay? To get things done basically, okay? بتلاقي طريقة كيف تعمل الإشي.
هيني صايم.
He's saying هيني صايم, okay? Here I am. I'm fasting.
وعندي شغل
and I have work.
ولسه بصحى على 4 الصبح.
So he's saying هيني صايم. Here I am. I'm fasting. هيني is like saying here I am, okay? هيني, okay? هيني صايم وعندي شغل ولسه أنا لسه بصحى الساعة 4 الصبح أو لسه بصحى على 4 الصبح.
وعندي
تمريني. أنا have my training.
عندي يعني 100 شغلة
وعندي 100 شغلة وشغلة. أنا have 100 things basically. 100 things and things. This is how we say it. أنا عندي 100 شغلة وشغلة أعملها. This is a very common هيك phrase. عندي 100 شغلة وشغلة. We have 100 things and things. Okay? We have 100 things and things. 100 شغلة. I have 100 things to do. Okay, here he's saying
بدك تتعبد وبدك تعمل اللي عليك. You بدك here obviously بدك is you want, as many of you guys already know, but we use it a lot to mean like you have to. Just like in English, or يعني like sometimes this is actually used in English, like so you're asking someone for advice. Okay, what do I what program should I use? Someone might tell you, okay, you wanna use this software. You'd wanna kind of go into the office early. You'd want to do this. So it's want to, but in the context of you must, okay? فبدك بدك تتعبد, like you have to hear, even though literally is you want, but it's the meaning, the contextually is you have to. بدك تتعبد, you have to worship, right? And at the same time وبدك تعمل اللي عليك. You have to do what you have to do. تعمل اللي عليك. You have to do the thing that you have to do. Okay? شو كمان؟
هذا مو اسمه صيام.
هذا مو اسمه صيام. Okay? هذا مو اسمه صيام. هذا is like هذا, as many of you have learned. هذا comes from هذا. Okay? So different variations of هذا in فصحى, but in عامية you will hear هذا, you will hear هاد, you will hear هاد. Okay? So هذا مو اسمه صيام. This is not called fasting. هذا مو اسمه صيام. Okay? Remember, yeah, this has to do with like dialect region where you are. But this is more very much used in Jordan, had, okay, and in other parts as well. But again, this is where Hala region and شوي dialect and accent changes a little bit from one place to another. فملخص الفيديو, summary of the video, or كمان keywords, okay, keywords to help you. مفردات, vocabulary. 1. أعذار. أعذار means excuses. أعذار جمع عذر. فما تعمل أعذار, don't make excuses. ما تعمل أعذار. Or بكفي أعذار. بكفي أعذار. Okay, this saying out loud actually sounds a little bit like أعذار, the month. Okay, someone's gonna ask me about this, so I thought I'd throw it out there. أعذار, make sure you get the ayn in there. Okay, and then you're gonna know by context. أعذار is March. أعذار is excuses, even if to you they sound very similar, you're gonna know by context. بعدين طريقة أو طريقة, a way, okay? لاقي طريقة أو لاقي طريقة, different pronunciation. لاقي طريقة أو لاقي طريقة. Find a way. Okay, شو كمان كان عندنا كلمات عندنا كلمة صايم. Okay, fasting, we know this. وعندنا شو كمان؟ المفروض, what's supposed to happen, المفروض هيك. وعندي of course I have بدك تعمل اللي عليك. That's a good phrase for you. بدك تعمل اللي عليك. You have to do what you have to do, kind of. You have to do what's your duty, or what you have to do. Okay, بدك تعمل اللي عليك, بدك تعملي اللي عليكي. Okay, so just some vocab and phrases. Hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know if you have any questions. وبشوفكم الفيديو الجاي. See you in the next video.